Hey, I'm Connor with Ridgeline Roofing and Restoration. I'm here at Aimee Irizarry's house. Claim number is 078-607-6588. I'm here to perform a repairability test. So as you can see, the shingle here is damaged from wind on the corner here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this shingle here and I'm going to replace it with a new shingle there, and show you that these shingles here are non-repairable. All right. All right, so I'm going to take this here, unseal this shingle. I've already got it unsealed here. Got this one here unsealed as well. And this one here unsealed as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start removing this shingle here that is damaged. All right, so I've got the old shingle out here. Fixing to replace it with the new. All right, so the repair has been completed. So here you can see the new shingle here that I put in. So this here is the new shingle. So by repairing the old damaged shingle and putting this new shingle in, it has actually damaged the shingles that are above it that I had to take loose and had to raise up slightly to even be able to put nails into the new shingle to hold. So as you can tell, this shingle here is the one that's right above it. It actually has tore this corner here. Actually also it is ripped right down the middle here. This one here is also right above this one. It has tore the corner here as well. You can see where it is torn. And it's also ripped it there as well. This one here is also tore right down the middle, and that is just from lifting it up to be able to put the nails back down into this shingle. You can also see here where it's tore. You can also see where it is creased on this corner here. It is creased there. There's a crease line across here as well where the shingle's creased. So with that being said, by performing the repair, taking out the old wind damaged shingle and installing a new shingle in its place to be able to perform the repair, the repairability test, you know, the shingles have failed to be able to take a repair due to brittleness, you know, so the shingles that are around it, all of these shingles are now damaged and would need to be replaced. All right, thanks.